still not get why Mr. Mullins gave the order.
We lay out strategic plans and follow them.
Oh, no bother with the petty arguing. Talking about this Dodger brother. Want to find out about him?
Him have a big link.
Well, go on, Minister Wallace. Thanks to see me, you know.
So you know the meaningful work around the hill.
Because if I did do a research, then I know somebody there around him.
This meeting is over. See you way out.
Like how you say you love shoot on the hip. Like your brother.
What you say?
But know you hear what I say.
Tell us I'm shoot from the hips.
Judge Minister, what that?
Make him go on. Just follow him and watch him every move and just tell what him to do.